How to fix Minecraft not responding easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft not responding easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just go to settings. Now once you're here, go to privacy and then go to background apps. Now close all background apps here, turn it off just by turning out first option, and now after that just open task manager and close all the process that takes your memory like Google Chrome. Right click on it and click in task, and that's it. After that just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.